Kesorka batmi di Pajba Nongpoh.
Dorbar Shnong ka Nongpoh kala Pynlong ya ka Jingialang minta kasngi bat u officer in charge MR Marak jong ka Nongpoh police station ban ya kren ya ki Jingeh ki bayadai bat ka Jingdi drak ki kamtu bat ki wei ki Jingeh jong ka Thain. Habakran cikilat patai kubor urang ba Shnong ka Nongpoh u ba Sylvester Minsong ula penpau Halor ka Jingpen Klan ya ka Jing Paharamit bat kren Halor ki Jingeh ha ka bayadai bat ki kali bampat pendankam ki bayeng ha ki service lane. Ula penpau ya ka Jing Kemen Halor ka Jing Shimkia jong ki Pulit ka Nongpoh police station ban kershan ya kini ki Jing Temu. U officer in charge UMR Marak ula pentekna bala pentrekam ya ka Jing Paharamit bat la yo ru ban kem katu kat ningun.
Regarding this, we have taken some steps, like we have started our foot patrollings at night, whole night. There will be a party who will be patrolling the whole Nongpoh town till the DC office, all these areas. And we have night mobile patrollings on the highway as well as on the town areas. They will be on the move at night. Like our patrolling party, we have evening patrolling and whole night, again other patrolling. Besides our police station patrolling, we have this traffic branch also. They also go for night mobile patrolling. So these are the preventive measures that we are taking to prevent all the crimes that is happening in our area.